for she get the thing them, you know. So what them have to do, them have to end up like tie down her hand them, you know, basically like restrain her hands them so she know to move and all of them kind of thing there, you know. And when she do the whole heap of moving up and down, them give her what the drug your name? Morphine. Like them give her morphine, and if anybody on this know what morphine is, you know say a strong drug that, you know what I mean. It even surprised me if you know say them give that to an infant like that and thing, but they gave that to her to kind of control her movement, you know, kind of slow her down a bit. So it's like when she got that, she was like getting out of it too much, like sleeping too much. So you know the mafia try wake her up. You can't make she sleep too long right now, you know, with how small she is and everything there, you know. So them would have to, when I time I see them hook up the oxygen thing for her, and you know them pump the buckle and whatever that buckle is, we see them pump in the air. You see when the numbers them did that drop, and when them pump it, then you see it go up, and you know them do them little thing again. You see it drop little again after them ease up, then them pump it again, and you know, and they did that over a period of time until you see she gets stable again, and them say, yeah man, she's stable now, and thing. Yeah. So as we say, and as with all of the nurse them say to them, say, yo, baby Miracle is a fighter, she's strong, you know, and them say, boy, girl, baby, in a them situation they always stronger and them way there. So that is a good thing about it. She holding up real strong, you know. I'm glad for that. I'm glad for the prayers them and them way there. Seeing we're in San Andres, people. We're still in San Andres. We don't move yet. We don't move yet because as we said before, we have to get her in our air ambulance for move from here so to the other side, to the other island, where you have bigger hospital where she can get better care and all of that kind of thing. So we have to get all of these things together. But you don't know a lot of bill in Coral already, but we have to deal with by the day. And all of these bill we have to deal over here out of our pocket, we have to deal with them and them thing there. You know, and I complain about it, you know. But just keep it a buck with 100. I can understand what's going on and them thing there. Cause you know say yo for everything work for her, me will spend every dollar and them thing there, you know, because baby Miracle after there and them way there. So I do everything where we possibly can and them thing there. Sometimes I get really overwhelming and stressing because you know each day you gotta go check on her and you know see how she doing and them way them greet you with a set of bill. Them greet you with a set of bill to the point right now where you know a lot of people reach out and them say people we want help, what can we do? Set up a GoFundMe, whatever this and that and rare. So me take up that with them said to me and me set up the whole GoFundMe thing. Well, not me set it up, my sister do it and thing, you know, because she you know she bad me up basically, and I say yo, you can't do everything on your own. You always want to do everything on your own, and this at the time now when you have to just seek some help too because you cannot do it alone. It's a lot of bill. You have to pay for your accommodation here. You have to pay for the hospital bill each day for Kizzy plus the baby, and you have to pay for the air ambulance. We have to pay for the doctor clinic where she are going because she have to go in a special place over in Bogota or Barranquilla. Seeing we're finalizing all of that right now. So we have to pay for that place there, and we have to pay for her daily treatment in whichever the facility she get into over on that side of the island and things. So sorry. So it's really overwhelming and thing and really. So as I say, my sister, she set up the whole GoFundMe thing and what have you. So that is out there. to see me where people can go and do what them I do, you know, and
so them say the link in my bio.
Them I go see it, but babes, them I see it, man. From where I tell them say it dead, them I go see it, you know, and who can just, you know, send the prayers them CMA, please continue with the prayers, because it's the prayers them were sent up, you know. I strongly believe say that is what is working up to this point, you know. That is what is working up to this point. Seeing the prayers them are work, people. All of the good prayers them were coming, we can feel the energy and we can see it in the little baby every time I go in there and she move up, and you know, I'm going there I'm do my little prayer over her to see me when we in there, my babes in there, we do a prayer over her whole hand, you know, even the nurse them I pray and all them kind of thing there. So, you know, we can see where progress are happen with prayers and all them kind of thing there too. So we're still asking for prayers the same way, you know, because I strongly believe in that.
Yeah.
And thing. Yeah man. And Baby Miracle is a fighter. And she do her best.
She do her best, guys.
She do her best, people. She do her best. You know, I mean, I get a lot of messages where people say, boy, keep kind of keep the thing out of the media thing, and you know, and Ray and all them thing there. But as I say, people, it's not like say, you know, we are trying to stress nobody or try to burden anyone, you know, with the whole thing. But you know, we start off with things that we with who know, and you know, we just want the support.
Yeah.
You understand me? And it's like we there so in the midst of
no,
you understand? We don't know nobody. See, it's a Dan, one of the artists them from down San Andres, you know. So,
yeah man. Just want to let the people them know say, Kipo, come down here for help me in my festival. You know, we make a festival called Packwatic Stuff Fest, and Kipo come and give me a hand and support me, you know, cause I'm my brother. But we involved in this situation where nobody when they wait on, you know, whenever they wait on that. But at the Lord work. Now we have to find solution. You know, the man far from home. And we just begging support to the people, because, you know, as I help the man gonna help me. That's why I'm standing up strong with him. Strong, and I know say the Lord nah abandon me. But we also need your prayer. We need your support in all moment, in every moment. So just put your hand by your heart, and whatever you can help with is welcome. You know, you say you have the how you call it?
GoFund.
Yeah, my sister set up a whole GoFund thing out there and them thing there. So you can see it on Babe's platform, and you put it on my thing too? You put the thing on my
no, babe, me not get the chance yet.
Okay, I guess you soon put it up on my what you call it? Instagram or
the link.
Put the link in the bio and all them kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, she know about them kind of thing there. So you will see that out there. So you know, I mean, as I say, people, it's real, you know, and the kind of you can tell him there, the kind of bills that we have to pay out of pocket down here and them thing there.
It's crazy bill.
In a normal, you know what I mean, in a normal, and we can't go and like say, boy, it not happen. And me are the kind of person where me would do everything what me can do in my power. And them way there, you know, if you know about people and all them kind of thing there, that's not my style. You know what I mean? But you don't know. As we say, my people, them link my sister say, yo, listen man, come on, you can't take on the world on your own. Sometimes, you know, fans them are reach out, people are reach out and me DM them and say, boy, keep up, we want help, what we do, and all them kind of thing there. So we set up that, and we I tell you, I keep it 100, you know, wagwan and all them kind of thing there for, you know, whatever can happen. And as I say, just keep the prayers them coming in, because me's that kind of person. We strongly believe in prayers and them way they saying. Then for the people them over on this side in the Spanish region, more explain to them in a Spanish, you know, to make them know say we're there and what the situation is, and let them know say baby miracle she alright. She did a blood transfusion.
You can tell him how on your life.
I'm gonna do that to pan female.
Okay.
A blood transfusion this morning and she received it well. So more you make the people know the progress we are going with her in Spanish and that's basically what's happening.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Bueno, ellos están diciendo para la gente que habla español. Ocurrió una situación que mi hermano Kiprich vino aquí a San Andrés, Colombia, a un festival, Aquarista Fest, a colaborarme, se puede decir. Él es mi amigo de hace años, un artista que siempre me ha apoyado. Él vino a colaborarme, vino con la mujer embarazada de apenas 6 meses. No estaban contando con que pues iba a dar a luz. Dio a luz, la bebé nació aquí, algo que no se estaba esperando, vuelvo y repito, y ahora tenemos que buscar solución. Se sabe que nació prematuro, entonces no se ha desarrollado bien, por decirlo así, los pulmones y etcétera. Entonces estamos solicitando ayuda. Por ahí hay un link, creo que en las redes de él o la esposa, donde pueden donar lo que tengan, porque es que vamos a tener que trasladar a la niña afuera, o a Barranquilla o a Bogotá, pues porque acá en San Andrés es una isla y no contamos con los equipos. No contamos con los equipos para que la niña pues pueda estar bien. Pero tengo que decir y aceptar que acá están haciendo todo lo que está en su alcance para que la niña esté bien, para que la niña viva. Pero queremos que ayuden porque son unos precios muy elevados, demasiado elevados. Ustedes no se imaginan, es una exageración esos precios. Le hicieron una transfusión de sangre a la niña y esos son unos precios, mejor dicho. Entonces, por favor, estamos viendo pues ayuda y oración, sobre todo, mucha oración para que esto, pues la niña pueda estar bien. Se sabe que van a tener que estar malo 3 meses, pues porque la niña no puede salir ni coger un avión normal para ir a Estados Unidos o a Jamaica. Entonces la ayuda de ustedes y las oraciones es muy importante, very very important.
Yeah, man. So because we have a lot of fans over this side that in the Spanish regions, them. So just for the people who don't understand English and think we make him think that, because a lot of people over here watch the live and all them kind of thing there in a Colombia and thing. So that's why we have him come talk the whole Spanish thing, so everybody can understand what's going on. Because a lot of people over here also they want to know what's going on, because they hear it's big on the news here and thing, with the whole baby miracle thing happening, 6 months premature labor and all that kind of thing. So
we need to hear the fire.
We are trying our best to see how fast we can move her, like ASAP. We need to move her between like today to tomorrow.
We are trying
to move her. You understand me? I say so. We are work on that. See, to get her to lift up to go either Bogota or Barranquilla. And thing. We link two. Yeah, she okay so far. For everyone who just joined and asking how she doing, she's okay. She receiving all the treatments well, as small as she be. She's a fighter and she receiving all the treatments. You see me? She receiving all the treatments well. You see me? Yeah, so that I go on right there, so that I go on right there, so.
Yes, man. But wait, thing I go get better, man. Thing I go good. But you see what more people, the uplift for carry the baby, for take her from San Andres to the other place like Bogota or Barranquilla, kind of expense, So we need some money to take her up there, to take her out, because that airlift very expensive, because it's a special airlift. You get me? It's a
ambulance.
You see, alright. What people understand? It's not just alright, the airlift is one, seeing, but remember, so we also have to pay
The daily.
the daily thing for over there. I've been paying the daily thing here already. And the daily thing here, so I mean,
Crazy.
today you go there, them tell you 13 million in for them money, like 3,000 odd US and whatever. You pay that today, that is the baby here. Then and you have Kizzy where them have look on to see me and the treatment them where them have to give her one might come to like a 2 grand and rare. That is for the day. And then you go the next day again, there's another bill. Right now them have another bill there for the transfusion and all that kind of thing. I wait for me right now. But me go down there go pay that. See? Me I go down there go pay that right now. See, I don't know how much G that I gonna be. I mean, I come here, I come do a show, of course. And we spend up them food there. We spend up them food there. Cause I'm say we there and thing, and we have to pay for accommodation too, because the promoter keep the thing after the event, promoting a business with you after that. You know what I mean? In which we not ask them to do that and what have you. We have to stand up and do what we do and them thing there. But I mean, there comes a time when say boy, you just have to do what you have to do and them thing there. You get me I say and no man on an island, brother. No man, you know what I mean? No man on an island. So we not go like we a hero and them kind of thing there. You know what I mean? And we not do this, for pull no negative energy and all them kind of thing there. We just speak life over the child, over miracle, and we are stand up for her and them thing there. You know what I mean? And me there and me go stand up. Regardless, me go stand up. You know what I mean? So and no time for no joke around and no play around, no kid around. This is not that time. This is not that time. You know what I mean? It's serious something happen. And we have to keep this child alive and get her out of this situation here. Seeing and we just share it too, and then we're there. Seeing who just a join, we are showing the birth certificate, we get the birth certificate for her and thing and that right there, so. And as we say, keep the prayers coming in.
We need all the prayers we can get now.
Yeah, man, we need the prayers. You know what I mean? We need the prayers. We need the prayers.
We appreciate the support. All the messages.
We appreciate every support we've been getting. And then we're there. Seeing all the support we've been getting from everybody. All the prayers them we said, all the scripture quotes and all I think them and what them say for read over the baby and all of them kind of thing there. We do all of them thing there. You know what I mean? So give thanks for all of that. We truly appreciate we appreciate and thing and appreciate all the love I send out and all of the prayers. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Blessings. People keep on a right cash up something.
You have
to check. You have to check on
my cash up on Kizzy done 5.
Check on Kizzy.
Kizzy thing
for them thing there.
ON number 5. So I'm gonna put in my bio. Baby, do the breast something. I'm gonna put in my bio on the story so we can see breast ain't tough like stone, man.
And people, you see, alright, me I give an idea, one of the bill with the air ambulance thing. For move her from here, from over Barranquilla or Bogota to the States. That alone is like 98,000
US.
98,000 US for move her from Bogota to the United States.
Yeah.
See, and we don't even reach a stage yet because we still have some other thing.
Really far.
But we have to move her from here to Bogota. See, so we have to pay that money there to move her from here to Bogota. And then we there and get her in the care. We have to pay for the place where she will go in.
We have to pay for accommodation over there.
And we have to pay the daily fee them fare and then we there. So it's not a joke ball game. You understand what I say? It's not a joke ball game. Yeah, and I want to joke something. I go on. You see me? So as me I say, every support is good. You know, the prayers them, I strongly believe in that. So me need that more than anything else. Because just as I say, she's a fighter, me's a fighter. You get me? I say, me's a fighter. Believe. Everybody will know that about me. You get me? I say, but
I can't do a ball, me a ball in the place I roll, but not gonna be baby me there. And ball and roll, and me eye them big. Told me look awful, no, I'm afraid to come near camera. Me look like a total mess right now, telling you the truth. Me depressed. Me never depressed in my life. Me confused. I don't know what to do right now. Boy, me I go and take it easy still. Rough right now, it be rough. And when you talk Spanish, even worse. Of go left your son, Kiprich know that guy here son him can help her with interpreting and him someday. But when you left your son, we're gonna Bogota now and big city now. We don't know Spanish, we don't know nobody here.
When we over there, so now we basically on over that side, we fly over that side there, you know. But I mean, yo, God has to be true, man. I tell you that, you know.
I say people doesn't just go and pray for me because if I go back up by hospital now, hear what they must say again, go to Billy and see the baby again. We have our next visit 3 to 5. So if I go leave here so now. I keep on posted about the baby and thing. But I figure, you know, me I get all the texts and I can't ignore everybody. I can't answer everybody if I don't know what I want. Because you know I feel with baby this. Miracle of our baby. And then they will do all long now, so I have to keep on posted and stuff like that.
Yeah, man, and big up for everybody who reach out and call you. Big up Auntie Dana. Auntie Dana call me, and you know, and she call me and she talk me and she say, boy, anything what she can do, you know, she instruct me and doing some stuff too and all them kind of things. So I have to big up like Auntie Dana to see me, you know, she reach out and you know, she did it with me, she pray with me and all them kind of thing there too. And I have to big up Sharon Burke, big up herself, you know, Sharon Burke, reach out and Sharon Burke try any strings that she can pull to see him and all them kind of thing there, you know. So I mean, you know, everybody who reaching out, you know, and who wanna get for talk to yet and all them kind of thing there. We see say wanna reach out, you know. We hope TVJ, big up TVJ, you know, and big up the people from Airlift who reach out to also and them thing there. You know, so we just keep on a posted with what go on and all them kind of thing there. Big up the radio station them in New York for reach out to me too. I just did an interview on one of the radio station in New York and things. You know, just keeping the people in my best with what's going on and things. So big up them people there to see them way and thing, you know what I mean? And they don't know.
Keep them updated.
Yeah, miracle. We fight for miracle.
I appreciate everything.
Yeah, man, we appreciate everything, man. And you know, all the positive people, you know, just keep it positive and we give thanks, you know, we give thanks to all the positive and kind words and all them kind of thing there, you know. Give thanks. So everybody will reach out from all over the world. The people will reach out to me from Africa, big up on yourself, you know, big up the Kenya people, them Ghana people, them all of them people that will reach out from all them places there. You know, big up the Guyanese, them will reach out to me. Big up people from Trinidad will reach out to me. You know, big up the people them who even here in San Andreas where we are now. You know, people them over in Bogota and all them kind of places there where I reach out and I send them kind words. You know, everybody in the States, big up the people in England where I reach out to. A lot of people reach out to me from over England side to see me. You know, we just want big up everybody at Jamaica where we have in them heart and I show real care and them thing there, you know. We just want to know, say, big up the Canada people them too. I can't leave out to see me because a lot of people reach out from Canada to see me, you know. Just big up on yourself and we love and appreciate, you know, to the fullest. You know what I mean?
Baby, the battery, the phone battery.
Yeah, so the phone battery they like 4 days now and things. So we just keep, you know, abreast with what go on and thing and you know, I'm going to know, so we appreciate, you know, and we love all the prayers them and all of the reach out them and all them kind of thing there. So we're not going to stay with them too long because we're going to the hospital now. and think, we have to do that by 3 o'clock. Because we stay from 3 to 5. We go there from 9 to 11 every morning, and from 3 to 5 in the evenings and things. So we are going to now forget some more updates what go on. We know she do the blood thing earlier this morning and them thing there. So we know she the kinda, so we never go in 9. We give her some time for rest and all them kind of thing there. So we're gonna go in 3 o'clock and thing, and then we're out again by 5. And whenever time we get time for give updates, we'll get updates and then we're there. So remember, respect and love, and manners, and blessing, every time, we think go.